Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you we discuss with you enterprise car rental review. How does it work and some secrets. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So, the car enterprise car rent a car is a massive powerhouse in the travel world, and they do things a little differently than the budget brands. Now, while most rental companies focus entirely on airport counters, Enterprise dominates the map by packing thousands of neighborhood branches right inside local communities. Now, the way the whole system works is quite simple. Now, you serve a car online or through their app, choose this is basically you're going to choose a vehicle class ranging from gas sipping economy sedan to a massive family SUV. When you pick up when your pickup day arrives at the local neighborhood branch, they activate their famous complimentary pickup service. Now, meaning an enterprise employee will actually drive to your house, office, or mechanic shop and chauffeur you straight to the local rental counter. Now, once you are there, they run your license, swipe a major credit card for a refundable security deposit that usually ranges between like $200 to $350. And they'll do quick damage walkthrough with you and hand over the keys. Now, in this case, there are some perks here that you'd actually get. So, their customer service is consistently rated much higher than discounted competitors, and their local neighborhood footprint lets you completely bypass chaotic airport terminals. Plus, if you join their Enterprise Plus or the free Enterprise Plus loyalty program, earning free rental days and premium status upgrades happens incredibly fast. Now, there are some things that you may need to watch out for. So, a few operational frustrations here. So, some reviewers and travel reviews here highlight a stiff increase in one way drop off surges. Now, if you return your vehicle to a different city, also, while they do technically accept debit cards at many neighborhood locations, they enforce a highly restrictive verification process that requires you to bring extra proof of address, like utility bills or immediate return flight info, which frequently catches casual renters off guard. Now, if you want to pull back the curtain here, there are some incredible secrets that you may want to know here. In this case, for massive deals. Now, first, the local neighborhood branches consistently run aggressive weekend special discounts from Friday to Monday because their corporate commercial business dries up on weekends. Now, second, if you intentionally reserve a compact or economy car and schedule your pickup for late in the afternoon, there is a very high possibility the branch will be completely sold out of small cars. So, forcing them to give you a spectacular, totally free upgrade to a premium, crossover, or luxury sedan. So, finally, you should always avoid booking directly at the airport. So, if you can help it, because the airport location bake in hefty concession fees and local tourism taxes that can instantly inflate your total bill by 25 to 30%, which is quite big. Now, simply taking a short ride share to a neighborhood location just 5 miles away will save you a massive amount of cash. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.